your patience. I know that for the last few weeks I have been repackaging holiday videos since I finished the apprenticeship. But as you guys know, I'm trying to get things together with the new division of the TheTayraPerezProject with my balloon installations. So I thank you so much. With that said, a lot is going to change with my channel. I am not going to be posting as much DIY projects because it's getting too hard to balance the business and my channel. I think what I'm going to give you is, just behind the scenes, follow me to different events. And I think you guys will like that too as well. And you guys have been asking for something like that as well. So I think it works. As far as DIYs, that's what's going to take a while because since I'm so busy with orders, it doesn't really give me the time to build anything. So what I'm going to try to do is just build what I need for the business. And I pretty much have everything. So if you have any requests of what you would like me to build for an event or for your business, let me know in the comments below. Alright, so today I'm bringing you behind the scene of the design and setup of my Frozen 2 backdrop. This is a marketing studio shoot that I did for the TheTayraPerezProject with the girls last week, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, here we go.
We seen one with like a garland, but we were thinking about maybe doing an arch to it. My glasses.
Oh, you need that? Get your glasses, girl. Get your glasses. Where's my coffee?
Over here.
Oh my gosh. We need to get the table here. Thank you, love. You're the best. This is the table we are working with. We're gonna have to do it today. I promise I'll get the other one for next time. We're gonna put it over there in the corner. Okay. So today we are designing a Frozen wall arch. What are we thinking?
Arch or wall.
How about a wall with two arches on the side?
Yeah.
Or just one arch?
Well, I was thinking, I will show you guys in a little bit. I was thinking, you see the castle, the ice castle?
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking of putting that in the middle, surrounded by transparent balloons.
Okay.
Like hidden in there.
Gotcha.
I don't want it to be over the balloons. I want it to be
like inside
it.
Okay.
Like if it was part of it.
Oh, I got you.
Okay.
So kind of like a. Okay, now I see what you mean by the arch wall. Kind of like a really thick arch to where it squeezes this in like
These
inside.
two, right. So basically you will have go grab it so they can see what I'm talking about.
It's big.
It's really big. So I got this cardboard. What's the measurement? It's a life-size cardboard stand-up. It's a castle, Frozen castle.
Frozen ice castle.
So I was thinking about putting that in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
That's so. Oh, you can put it down. And it looks something like this. Do not write on my drawings, okay? My handwriting is horrible and my drawing even worse. Okay? So I can't remember how it looks like. Okay.
It's got I can pull it up for you.
It looks like I'm giving the finger. I'm giving the finger. Okay, so that's the castle. Okay, so I'm thinking we should vary it. And well, first behind that we're gonna have the
French curtain.
Okay.
the French curtains that are, how do you call those again?
Iridescent.
Iridescent. So we're gonna have the iridescent in the background, right?
Mm-hmm.
Over the grid.
Mm.
Okay. So that's gonna be that in the back. And then we are going to place the castle right in the middle. And then we are going to vary it with transparent balloons. And the iridescent will be in the back. So
Oh, so
that's
you'll get
the effect of the iridescent behind the clear ones. Okay?
Gotcha.
So that's that. And then I was thinking of then, once that's done with the wall, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll have an arch here and an arch
There.
there.
Okay.
Okay.
And
So
then
it can
next-
look like it's just like a big
like a big
castle.
frozen
Yeah,
castle.
Castle.
Got it. And then in here we can put like the snowflake balloons,
All
and
of
all
that,
of those.
Yeah,
Okay.
girl.
Yep, yep.
Okay, I like that.
Online.
Let me show you. As long as they got it, that's
Right.
all that matters. They got it. They got it. So we're gonna do that.
Okay.
You got it? You got it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I mean, you guys can totally say nay and let's try something
I love
else.
it.
You love it?
I think that's
Yeah.
beautiful and different.
Mm-hmm.
That's the point. Different.
Yeah.
Because I was looking at some and I was just like, oh, can I make mine different? That's totally me all the time. You know, because everything is out there pretty much.
Right.
You know, and I don't want to copy it. I want to make my own version of that. So, all right, let's get started. Copy.
There's 2 curtains in each pack, so we might be okay with the iridescent.
I do have this curtain, this iridescent, not curtain, it's like a tablecloth that I had from a long time ago.
Mm-hmm. So pretty. I know, I love it.
It's pretty, right?
Yes.
So I'm not,
The iridescent curtain. That might work because these still look
But this
kind of thin.
yeah.
Yes, that's what we were trying to figure out, like to how to get it to bury because the balloons can't go in the
And
grid.
that's what I got the glue that for. So we can just glue that
glue
around.
it. Okay, that works. That'll probably be the best. These 3. And this is this one. This one's a big one.
Add the big ones to the bottom.
Okay.
Let's put that down.
Bottom first.
Bottom first. Okay, make it tight, but not so tight that it looks like glue. Okay? Tight enough, but loose enough. That makes sense. We just gotta find a better way to hang these. Any thoughts?
String them like a garland and hang them at the top, on the top.
Okay, so this is what we have. Hold on, Jesse. Jesse always loves to make noise when I'm trying to talk. I'm sorry. Okay, guys, so this is what we have so far. I'm going to, since the girls have to go, they've been here all day. Thank you, ladies. Since the girls have to go, I am going to finish it up tomorrow. I'm going to add more of the clear transparent balloons on both sides. I have a gap right here and I have to add some right here so we don't see the edge of the castles. And that's it. And I'm probably going to add a little more of the orbs somewhere around. I might add some silvers as well, but I'll figure it out later. So I will let you guys see the final design in a bit. All right. Say goodbye, ladies. So you guys love? What do you guys think so far?
We love it.
Yeah, we love it.
Does it look like my drawing?
Yes, it looks exactly like your drawing.
Anaya, go show it. So people can compare my drawing to the final.
Exactly.
I'm telling you.
To tell the truth.
I have vision. Look at that. So there it is. Go down. See? Same thing. I don't care what anybody says. That's exactly what was in my brain. I put it on paper and now it's on there.
It's beautiful.
You guys love it?
Yeah,
Love it.
adorable.
Very.
It's amazing.
All right, guys. Let's say goodbye.
Bye.
And I'm a hot mess, but I don't care. Bye. And for those of you who love to watch balloon popping, stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends and family members.